here's a fun fact for you. Guess what the earliest snowfall is in Denver?
I don't want to know.
Oh, end of September?
Early September.
Early September. Wow. So we're just a month and a half here.
Well, let's hope we've got a nice long fall. I feel like we deserve
We
it.
earned it.
Yeah. It's going to be pretty warm today, though. Forget fall, forget winter. It's still very summer-like today. We'll get a few more evening storms. The biggest threat would, again, be a pocket or two of heavy rain, but it's going to be a lot drier today compared to what we saw yesterday, and pretty warm all weekend long. Right now, we're looking at some mid to upper 60s, winds coming in out of the southeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And again, a little drier this morning. Longmont 56, Littleton 61, Parker right now 64 degrees. So it's going to be a nice mild start. 40s and 50s if you're up in the mountains this morning. Now, skies have cleared out nicely. We had a few lingering showers down and through the San Luis Valley overnight. That's now cleared up, and so sunshine's going to dominate through the morning. Now, when you look at our temperatures by about 9 o'clock, we're already at that point in the mid to upper 70s. Longmont 78, Keensburg 75, and in Parker 75 through early morning. So it's going to heat up pretty early on, and then we should be by lunchtime right around 12:30, still under a mostly sunny sky, and temperatures likely in the mid to upper 80s by that point. Estes Park, some mid 70s. You'll notice a couple of clouds developing by that point, but it's still going to be nice and dry through about 12 o'clock. There's a better chance that we're going to get a few thunderstorms out on the western slope. Now, by about 4:30, that's when those clouds will start to develop, and if you are heading up to the mountains for a Friday hike, do expect to see some lightning there by mid-afternoon, right around 3 to 4, and then temperature-wise, it'll start to cool off with those storms. 4:30, though, here in town, we're under a mix of sun and clouds and at about 90 degrees. So highs today right around 90 to 92, a little warmer than yesterday. Early Saturday morning, waking up to a little bit of cloud cover. We'll be in the 60s in the morning with a better chance of storms tomorrow afternoon. So things will dry out a bit today, but by tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see a better chance for some lightning, thunder. The risk of severe weather is a little lower again on Saturday, but storms are going to be likely again on Sunday as well. So some mid to upper 80s, close to 90 heading into the weekend. Pretty warm through the weekend, close to normal. And then next week is when things are really going to start to dry out and heat up, Jason. We're at about 95 on Tuesday, mid to upper 90s for the start of next week.